With the Ferrari behind me? Are you Sorry, hello. Bro's on the new Gixxer 600, freshly tuned by More Mafia, so it's freaking sounds insane. Got the pops and bangs tune on there, bro. God, it sounds good. But yeah, we heading to Cycle Gear for the meet this week. Little bike night action. Trying to get there in time, and we'll be about 30 minutes late, but should be alright. Hopefully it won't rain on us, but we shall see. But it looks, right now it's pretty sunny, so hopefully it stays that way. We got a Gixxer boy up here too. Come on, I know you want to freaking flash me with the pops. Screw you, bro. That crap is so annoying. I said, where you headed?
Just back home.
Okay, I got you. We're going to a meet right now, so I was just seeing if you were going too.
Yeah. It is a nice day though.
Okay, yeah, it is. I like the bike, bro. Yeah. It's a 600. Yeah. Little fresh wheelie to start off the ride. Now bro's gonna be a lot more comfortable than me. I'm gonna be like, ah! And he's gonna be like, la la la. Leave me alone, bro. What you looking at, shoddy? You're so annoying. Yeah, that's good.
It's a little bit more windy, but it's perfect.
Yeah, it looks a lot more comfier. Yeah, he flipped his clip-ons upside down so the geometry is a little more relaxed. And I sat on it, yeah, it definitely feels a lot better. It's not like... I have not seen bro crack that thing open once yet. Yeah, I say that, he's gonna go... Told you. Oh my god, perfect timing. Yep, busted right in my face, bro. Appreciate it. This guy. Get a lot of this guy. Oh my god. Come again, this time in my ears. Little knee knocker action. Since my bike isn't loud and cool sounding. Alright, looks like we got some boys out. Where are we finna park? I don't know. Oh, of course they want a picture of the Gixxer and not me. Guess we're parking up here. Beep. Oh, I hate backing up my bike. Excuse me! Sorry, hello. Of course they want pictures of the Jixer, bro, and not me. Of course they want pictures of the Jixer and not me, bro. Frick you. Say what's up to the OnlyFans, bro.
What?
Say what's up to the OnlyFans, bro. They're gonna cream when they see your Jixer.
What's up, bro? Look at my nice new Jixer. It's actually clean and not clamped out.
Says him.
Welcome to my TED Talk.
Sounds like shit.
It does.
Sounds better than that. No! Ah! No! Frick, no! We did not beat the rain. Ow, 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 ow. Didn't make it. Oh, God. Ow! That freaking hurts, bro. Are you going to get a little dinner with the boys, bruh? Bro's on his Jixer with the female. Yay. Break that light, bro. Alright, bro. Come on, do your pops and bangs on me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not like that. Okay, maybe not. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Little time jump and we're taking the exit, and there's a GSP guy across the street. Good thing we ain't going that way. Oh, god dang. I hate this bike on the highway. But I love it for everything else. Freaking Jixer bro up here is just cruising and I'm dying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice freaking ZL1 up there. Camaro, supercharged. Yes, sir. It's right up here on the right. Yeah. Bro's going crazy with the tune. Pulling in. Hey, looks like we got a lot of bikers. Let's go. Thanks, man. Excuse me, excuse me. What's going on, man? What's up, dog?
What's the difference between an FZ and an MT?
The same thing. The MT is just newer.
Okay.
They changed it to MT instead of FZ in like 2019 or something.
What's that about?
Ugh. Nice hoodie. Is that your Jigsaw right there?
Yeah.
With the green, I like those green wheels, bro. That's sick. What's going on, dog? Like the bike, dude. And the backpack.
Thank you. FZ07?
FZ, same thing.
I mean, slight difference.
Yeah,
I would never know.
yeah. It's just the headlight, pretty much. Heck yeah, bro. It's chill. Got the freaking the rock meme on his backpack. Wait, I want to go this way so I can do a wheelie. Whee! Heck yeah, bro. W meet. Oh my god, we're finally off the highway so I can freaking talk. Took me like an hour to get here, but we're going to a little freaking stunt show put on by Humble Hooligans and Jay Needs Tires. Two freaking, like, well, one's a group and one's just a guy, but it's at a Harley dealership, so gonna see some crazy burnouts and stuff. But I didn't really have anything else to do today, so I figured, why the crap not, bruh? Whew! My arms are getting freaking sunburnt, bro. Oh my god, I've just been in the beating sun for the past hour. What are you gonna do, huh? What the? Ferrari behind me? Sheesh. Okay. Man, we really are in the rich people area. Hello. Okay, I thought she was gonna tell me where to park, but yeah, there's a lot of freaking people out here. Yo, bro, this is cool. Ooh, 636. Yeah, I'm parking right here. Right next to the clean-ass 636.
We all started as individual riders and came together to form somewhat of a team. We've got our top athletes out here today to perform a stunt show for you. As a team, we came together about 3 years ago. Feel free to inquire about any additional information you need, questions at the end of the show, or even stunt shows. Enough about the team, though. We're going to introduce these guys to you. One of our top athletes out here warming up. We're going to start with this guy. All the way from Atlanta. Originally calling Central PA. He's on the Harley Dyna. Let's make some noise for Jay Needs Tires. Demonstrating his skill and balance out here on the 2002 Harley Dyna. 88 cubic inch engine. He just put a brand new tire on there, but that thing's getting wore out already. Please keep an eye towards the barricades as these guys spin their tires. There could be some rubber heading your way or other stuff from the parking lot. Please make sure no youngsters cross our area, especially during this stunt show. We're gonna help count on you guys to look out for everybody. Our second rider, coming from the east side of Atlanta. He's been riding for 9 years. Let's make some noise for Zesty Stunts. He's on a Suzuki DRZ super motorbike, which is basically a dirt bike with street tires. This guy's got the skills. Oh, the front wheel had some rubber on it. Saving that move right there. Almost the second crash of the day. One-handed, rubbing the tire off. Look at the front brake control, throttle control, the balance on this guy as he goes drifting up our stunt area here. Swinging it wide past the first group. Gaining some speed downhill with a great demonstration of a rolling burnout. Let's make some noise for Zesty Stunts. His real name is Nick. We've got another Nick out here though. Sometimes it's hard to stop these guys. They get so excited. Slowing it down to just about a stop, knowing right where he's at in front of the gnarliest Nick right there. Oh my goodness. Our next rider, all the way from Dunwoody, Georgia. He's been doing stunt riding for years. He's He's on a Kawasaki Ninja 636 that's set up for Sonny. At the ripe old age of 24 years old, let's make some noise for gnarly Nick. Scraping down the parking lot. Nice wheelie coming up the hill, balancing on the front wheel of the stoppier and endo.